district since 2014, and now I'm serving in the role of Director of Maintenance and Operations. Well, our biggest challenge as Director of Maintenance and Operations for any school district is going to be downtime. That we don't want to deal with having to send kids home because no power being one, but also no AC is a big reason that kids would get sent home. And so having a tower like Tower Tech's it's very sustainable because you're not dealing with just one motor per tower. We have multiple motors, multiple fans. So even if you lose one, you still have capacity of that tower. And that's a huge advantage for the Tower Tech towers as opposed to conventional towers that we've dealt with, because we did struggle with the towers making it for that time that we were expecting. A lot of it was, they're stainless towers, but the biggest components that we saw failure was all the components, all the pieces that were attached to it, motor mounts, bolts, simple things like that, and then just all the grime and buildup that would happen over the towers, especially if you didn't do your annual maintenance to them. Tower Tech has actually simplified our process. We're not as necessary, or it's not as necessary for us to do the annual maintenance. And so we're able to reprioritize and simplify what our guys are doing in the field. That was probably the biggest, is reprioritizing our manpower and not having to put it in as necessary to do it on an annual basis, because we haven't done it on an annual basis since we've had Tower Tech. So the performance of the towers has been great, because we've seen where the towers have, when we had an inspection this last year, some of our older towers, they went through and looked at and couldn't believe that they were 10-year-old towers with minimal maintenance. And when I say minimal, it was very minimal amount that we did as a district. And so seeing that performance was far above and beyond what I would have expected. Alvin ISD has been using Tower Tech for about 10 years now. The decision to move to Tower Tech was before my time with the district, but it's our basis of design now. So we have some of our replacement towers that were done around 10 years ago at Alvin High School. Our first new construction project was Rodeo Palms Junior High, and then our most recent is Caffey Junior High, and we have them going in over at Iowa Colony High School as well as some of our newer projects. So we have quite a lengthy time of using Tower Tech towers over the course of those 10 years. I would say to anybody who's looking to use Tower Tech towers that I think it's worth looking into, especially if you're running into some of the maintenance issues that we did here in Alvin. If you're running into some of the issues of getting your lifespan out of the equipment, I would highly recommend looking at Tower Tech, because they've met our needs as a district.